Morning dears, look here. Now today we want to discuss some more problems in application of trigonometry. Look very carefully here. I think you know the values of 30 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree, 0 and 90. Okay, sine, cos and tan. Are you ready? Look here. Reference page number 203 to 205. That is exercise number 5. Are you ready? Look here. The question is, let's say the textbook. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meters above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degrees. Find the length of the string. Are you ready? The given data is kite is at a height of 60 meters above the ground. And the string, kite means already it is in the shape of this. String is tied to a point. This is the point. And that point make an inclination angle of 60. Inclination angle is in the angle of elevation. Remember that. This is 60. We want the length of the kite. Length of the kite. Always kite is hypotenuse of the right triangle. You remember that. That's always kite means already it is hypotenuse. We want to find this. Now this is the figure. That is height means perpendicular distance is 60 meters. We want to find is. Are you ready? Length of the kite, better you write it. Length of the kite equal to is. Now this is opposite side and hypotenuse, that's equal to sine. Sine 60 equal to AB by AC. The value is root 3 by 2 equal to 60 divided by AC. Now cross multiply. Is it here? Cross multiply AC into root 3 equal to 60 into 2 equal to 120. AC equal to 120 divided by root 3. Remember, sine opposite by hypotenuse. Then the value substitute. Then cross multiply, you get like this. So 60 into 2 is 120. AC is 120 divided by root 3. Now rationalize the denominator. That means multiply the numerator and denominator by root 3. You get like this. 120 root 3 divided by 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 120 into root 3, 120. Now that is 40 times exactly. And your answer is 40 root 3 meter. That is the length of the kite. Length of the kite equal to 40 root 3 meter. Is it clear? Okay. Next question. There is the same page. Page number is just minutes. Example number 6 in the same page. That is a 1.5 meter tall boy is standing on some distance from a 30 meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of building increases 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. That means, look here once again here. Now the question is not completed. This is a building. Already he is standing here. And the first angle of elevation is 30 degree. And he is approaching to the building. And the height of the building is also here. And the angle of elevation changes 30 to 60 degree. Then the point is D. If he is approaching, already he is approaching the building. So the first angle of elevation is 30 degree and after some time it is 60 degree. You get the idea? And what's your question? Look here. Find the distance he walked towards the building. That is, distance walked is 0. Find the distance walked by him. That is 0. Are you ready? Look here. First of all, you take triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, it is opposite side and adjacent side, that is tan. Tan 30 equal to opposite side AB, adjacent side BC. Opposite side, height and distance. Height and distance means already it is tan. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 equal to AB is 30 divided by BC. Is it clear? Then by cross multiply, BC equal to 30 root 3. The distance is 30 root 3. That is the distance from him to the that is, I think, what is that? That tall boy building. Distance The first point of observation to the building is 30 root. Is it clear? And that's over. And we look at the triangle ADB. That is in triangle ADB, tan 60. Opposite side and adjacent side is AB by BD. Root 3 equal to 30 divided by BD. Cross multiply. BD into root 3 equal to 30. BD equal to 30 divided by root. Is it clear? Then multiplied here and here by root 3. That is 30 into root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3 into root 3 equal to 3. 30 into root 3, 30 root 3. Now 3 out of 30 10 times, that's equal to 10. So this distance is 10 root 3. Is it clear? Once again, look at the triangle ADB. Tan 60 equal to opposite side by adjacent side AB by B. And the value is root 3 equal to 30 is the value of BD. BD unknown. Cross multiply BD into root 3 equal to 30. BD equal to 30 by root 3. Rationalize the denominator, that is multiplied by root 3, you get like this. That is 10 root. This distance is 10. So what is the distance walked by the boy is CD. Is it clear? The total distance is 30 degree, 30 root 3, I'm sorry. This distance BD is 10 root. So the distance walked by the boy is CD. That is 30 root 3 minus 10 root 3. And your answer is 20 root 3 theta. You get the idea? So once again you do the same program. Then only you get the idea. Okay? That's all. Now that is question number 5 and 6. The two questions completed. Another one, that is question number 7. Look very carefully here. From a just minute. From a point on the ground, the angles of elevation of the bottom and top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree. That's given. Find the height of the tower. From a point on the ground, let us look at here. The point is P. And this is the transmission tower. And the top of that building is a building, AB is a building, top of building, a transmission tower is fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building. So AB is building, here it is the transmission tower AC. This is the tower, okay. And from this point, the angle of elevation to the bottom is given 45 degree and the top is given 60 degree. This angle is 45, top is 60. Is it clear? The height of this AB is also given as 20. Is it clear? Once again, from a point, the bottom and top of a transmission tower are 45 degree and 60 degree, and it is given that the tower is standing on the top of a 20-meter high building. So this is a building with the height 20 meter. We don't know the distance and we want to find the height AC. Are you ready? That is the height of the tower. Are you ready? Now look at the triangle AB. In triangle, the figure is the main point. If your figure is correct, automatically your answer is easy. In figure, this is given 20. We don't know what is this. So in triangle ABP, opposite side and adjacent side are given. Tan 45 equal to opposite by adjacent is AB by B. The value is 1 is equal to 20 divided by BP. Cross multiply. BP equal to 20. That is, this is 20 meter. Otherwise, 45 degree, 90 degree, 45 degree. This is one root. You remember that. The sides opposite to 45 and 45 are equal. Then also you get the value BP is equal to 20. Is it clear? And look at the triangle BPC. That is tan 60. The total angle is 60 equal to opposite by adjacent is BC by BP. Tan 60 is root 3. The value is given. BC, we don't know the heights. So better you put it 20 plus H. 20 plus AC or 20 plus H divided by BP. dt is already 20. Then by cross multiplication, look very carefully here, cross multiply. 20 plus x equal to 20 root. Value of root 3 is not given. Is it steps up to this over? And look very carefully here. H is equal to 20 transferred to that side, 20 root 3 minus 20. So 20 is a common factor taken out. Remaining root 3 minus 1. That is your final answer. It is not necessary to put the value of root 3 because it is not given. This is the final answer. That is the height of this. So height of that is in tower equal to 20 into root 3 minus 1 is the one. And once again you do the, I will give you similar problems as homework. Okay, later I will give it. Study well the values and watch very well the video. Okay, is it clear? Watch well the video, then I will give you homework, you do it. Okay. അത് മുഴുവനാക്കി കാണിക്കാത്തവരെ ഇന്ന് തന്നെ എനിക്ക് കാണിക്കാം കേട്ടോ. അതേ ഹോംവർക്സ് കംപ്ലീറ്റഡ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ I want to see today's. Okay. For the best I will give you home assignment later.